In this video we will work with noise3D buildings. So we will show how to model a building, how to maintain acoustic and geometry data, and how the information tool works. So how can we create a building in noise3D? First of all, we choose the building icon. Only with that icon we can create a building and model the acoustic data. So you click on each of the corners of the building, and when you've completed that, you hit the enter or the space bar, and the building is being created automatically with the standard height. Now acoustic data is being added by using the edit acoustic data icon, and the information is actually the name of the building and then also the reflection loss parameter, which in this case is a 1 dB reflection loss, which is actually the default value. Now next you can add geometric data to the building. The default height is 6 meters, and we can change this to 8 meters. The height of the building is changed immediately. Now using the right mouse button, you have a quick access to edit acoustic and edit geometry. So rather using the icons, you can use the mouse buttons as well. Using the left button of the mouse, you get into the info tool, so you can see the essential information about the building. Now by moving the mouse button onto that window, the window will actually stick if you choose to do that. Next we want to look at the expert editor for acoustic and expert editor for geometry data for a building. And what you can see is two windows popping up where you can actually change parameters, and you can leave those windows open when you digitize several buildings or other objects. And by actually going into the expert edit windows, you can change in this example the height, and again the change is applied to the object immediately, as you go. So when you've got several buildings, this is a very efficient way of actually working with the building. Now you can use other SketchUp tools like copy and move for buildings, so in case you want to set up a chain of buildings, that can be done very efficiently as well. Buildings in the terrain is a little bit different issue. So you can see a terrain here. You want to actually have the standard view top when you digitize in the terrain. By actually using the building icon, you can see that the noise map, which did exist here in this model, is being hidden, so that you can actually build the building into the terrain without being irritated by seeing the noise map. And now when you use the orbit tool, you can actually move the model a little bit around, and you can see the building in the terrain. And this is, as you could see, the height of the building again can be changed, and that becomes effective immediately. We're now going to the drop command. The drop command actually allows you to drop the building to different levels. When you look at the building, you could see that the building dropped a little bit by a little bit more than a meter. So that completes our review of the building and how you can work in noise3D with the many different tools on buildings.